Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1970 Citroen 2CV. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. I do like the new cars Matchbox is doing this year. They look better than what they used to do before. More fancier, more colorful. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 2CV out of its box. And the first thing you will notice is the yellow paint. I haven't seen many 2CV in yellow paint. Actually, I haven't seen many 2CVs here anyways. These are European cars and you might find them in France and those places where they were from, not in States. But it doesn't look bad. And being a mainline, it has got some good details. So let's start from the front. Up front you can see it has got detailed headlamps, grille, turn indicators, Citroen badge. So good details up front. Also you can see the windshield wipers and the chrome bumper. Citroen 2CV was like, it had so many different things which were like not done before. It was a very unique car. Coming to the driver's side. Oh, my bad. This is the passenger side. So we are on the passenger side. Let's see. You can see those unique rounded doors on the side. Wheels we have seen on different Matchbox, especially the older ones. They kind of mimic the steel wheels, with the hubcaps. So they look alright here. You can see the windows. See the shape, it's so different. You don't see these kind of shapes anymore. Also, if you look closely on the roof, you can see there's like a tri-fold kind of thing, like flat, and then it goes. So these, I think if I'm not wrong, these had like cloth roof. You can fold it back, so you can have like open top kind of thing. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You can see there's a number plate. You've got headlamps with turn indicators. You also got Citroen on this side and 2CV on this side, and you also got a trim piece up top here. I'm not sure where the fuel filler cap was on Citroen 2CV, but then I'm okay with all other details. Coming to the driver's side, looks almost identical, no major differences. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. The interior is done in black, and the front window is open, the rear one and the quarter one at the back has glass in it. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting, and I'm pretty sure Matchbox will do other colors too. And I like how Matchbox is doing good details on their main lines, and they look so much better. Should you get one? Absolutely yes. It will look good in your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.